Hi everyone, here's another off-page SEO technique that works, and it is called press release submission. What is a press release submission? How to do it? And how does it add to your off-page SEO efforts? Let's discuss in this video. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. A press release is a written communication about an event, a product, or any important happening at the business. Press release submission is when you submit a press release to press release sites. After you've submitted the press release, it can be found by the media. When the online media picks up on the press release, there is a chance for your website to get a very high quality backlink. That is when the media shares the link to your website. At the same time, the media exposure can bring you lots of traffic to your website. People who read the press release and are interested will visit your website. This increase in traffic is an indicator to search engines that your website is of interest. Also, when they share your content on their social media or link it on their own websites, you will again get quality backlinks. All that can help to increase the ranking of your website. Visit press release sites that allow you to submit press releases. Look around the site and see that the press release site matches your brand image and reputation. When it does, create an account. You will need to verify the created account, then submit your press release. Your press release will need to have a headline, summary, keywords, contact information, and any other details the press release site requires. Your press release will be subject to the site's approval. After approval, it will be published. And that's it. Besides getting backlinks for SEO, press release submissions are good for your brand. It is an opportunity to get valuable mention of your brand. This is another factor that search engines favor. Plus, the long-term benefit of creating brand awareness, brand exposure, online visibility, image, and reputation. Do you have any questions about this video about doing press release submission as part of your off-page SEO techniques? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.